Today we are going to focus on muscle relaxation. If you feel any tension in your body, this is perfect for you. If you feel tired or need to release any comfortable sensations, this body scan will help you. Listen closely to your body in a brand new way. Learn how to release any tension and any stress through this body scan. Lie down on your bed or couch, or you can be sitting in your meditation position. Wherever you feel calm and safe and are able to let go of your defenses for the duration of this session. Find a comfortable and relaxing position where you can feel grounded, at ease, finally ready to chill and focus on how you feel. Along the way, don't force your body to change how it feels, but instead accept its signals. This is the way your body speaks to your mind. Instead of shutting it all down, respect it. Listen to it. Cherish every single message to learn something more about your body and how it reacts to things like emotions or illness. Did you know that muscular tension is strictly linked to stress, anxiety, and worries? It's time to release all of this from your body as well as your mind. Now we will begin the body scan from the top of the head to observe the body from head to toes. Along the way, we observe exactly how we feel and notice how the body sensations release pain and tension with this meditation technique. The power of our compassionate being and caring mindfulness while nourishing the breath. So let's begin. When I say a part of the body, just visualize relaxation in this location. And if you feel any tension, you can send your breath there, breathing into the tense areas, almost like a laser, releasing any tension, pain, or stress you are holding in that specific area of your body. So bring attention to the top of your head and just notice how the very top of your head feels. And bring that breath into the head. Breathe deeply into any tense areas at the top of your head. And now breathe into the forehead, deeply relaxing your forehead, allowing any tension to melt away with the breath. And now breathe into your cheeks. Feel them relax as you breathe. And breathe into the mouth. Feel your mouth and jaw loosen as you breathe. Now take a deep breath into the back of your head, relaxing the back of your head with each breath you take. And breathe into the tops of your shoulders, letting your shoulders hang and relax. Breathe deeply, relaxing this area. And now breathe into the front of your chest. Relaxing breaths expand and contract your chest. Now breathe into the upper back, sending relaxation here with the breath. Breathe into the middle back now, relaxing this area. And breathe into your lower back, deeply relaxing your back with the breath. And breathe into your stomach, feeling it rise and feel it fall. Any tension, it just melts away. And noticing your ribs expanding with the breath, relaxing your entire body with the power of your oxygen. Bring your awareness to your shoulders and breathe into your biceps, triceps. Breathe into your forearms and breathe into your hands. Bring your attention to your hips. Feel firmly rooted to the ground below you. Breathing into your hips and pelvis, deeply relaxing this area. And bring your attention to your thighs, the right thigh, the left thigh, the right knee, and left knee, the right shin, the right calf muscle, and the left shin and left calf muscle, right ankle, left ankle, right foot, and then the bottom of the foot, the top of the foot, and all of your right toes. Your left foot now, the bottom of the left foot, the top of the left foot, and finally the toes. Now scan your body from head to toe. Take a total body overview, making sure to take your time to notice how you really feel. If you feel any tension, any pain, bring your awareness to that area and breathe into it, drawing in positivity and energy, and exhale any discomfort or pain that you feel. Feel yourself in total relaxation. Feel your body free from any tension. You are ready to rock the rest of your day with a relaxed and brand new perspective. Use this relaxing body scan whenever you need to find your center, whenever you need to feel yourself and to relax. You have a brand new approach towards your body and towards your own personal and intimate sensations. You can use this to manage stress, anxiety, and pain. You can finally be the master artist of your body. Namaste.